Hi guys, this is the final part of learning how to use Scratch. In the previous three episodes, we learned how to program. We learned that the look section has looks blocks, the motion section has motion blocks, the sound section has motion blocks, and all of that. Pretty interesting facts. So now this is the grand finale of Scratch. This video is going to cover the variables and my blocks, the most important of them. And don't worry about these. I don't. This is just something I added by mistake. I know how to use them, and I don't wanna know. They are kinda useless. Uh, as I know, they might be way more useful than I thought. So let's see what we made last time. Let's see how does this project work. What's your name? Yeah, maybe this thing needs some fixing, but this is not what we're doing. Let's focus on our main targets. We did a lot of mess. Maybe I'll just reset everything. Delete and delete. Yep, so sure about that. So before we start, I wanna show you something. I made a lot of shorts that are about basic knowledge. You might have seen them, those shorts. I leave you a link in the description if you wanna watch one of them. I explained things about clouds, stars, black holes, gravity. They are pretty useful. So, if you were wondering how did I make these videos, no, I didn't make them in CapCut. No, it wasn't any of these apps. I made them using Scratch. This is the last thing you might expect for me to make a video in, but yeah, I made them in Scratch. I'll explain you. This is my video maker in Scratch. So basically, how does it work? Here I have a bunch of sprites. I have a sprite folder for everything. Here I have every object like planets, balls, clouds. Here I have characters, and it lags a little bit because I downloaded a lot of stuff in it. Here I have chemistry, I mean like hydrogen, uh, gold, helium. Anyways, there is a lot. Even I have a section for memes. I put them somewhere sometimes. So I take all of these sprites. Whenever I need one, I go search Google and I get a new one. So how I make a video, I go to backdrops and I make everything. Every time I make the video like this, every section of the video, and then I go here, start recording. I made the code that changes the backdrop using my keyboard. So when I click the number 1, the number 2, wait, why isn't this thing working? It was like whenever I click a number in my keyboard, it changes the backdrop. So I start recording and keep talking about everything like this. Hi guys, today we are introducing myself. I haven't uploaded blah 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 wherever. So this is how I record everything. And every time I upload something I have more sprites. So every time I make a video and upload things, it becomes more like a professional videos maker. Pretty cool, right? So that was a little off topic. So let's go back. So we have variables and my custom blocks to explain. So variables doesn't has a lot of blocks because it's very simple. Basically, I have this variable, don't mind it, I need it. Make a new variable. Should I name this variable? Pretty interesting question. Doesn't matter. Or you know what? I don't have to do this. I would name the most basic thing. Score. Like like this. This is variable named score. So if you want to ask me what is a variable is basically just a number that changes. That's the short answer. But we need some lot of stuff to explain. So here this is score the number. Wait, let me have this. This is our variable. I can even change it. This is the normal, the large one, and the slider to change it whenever I want. And I can just hide it, but I won't. Put it back. I would put it in the large readout. This is my favorite. So let's start. First here I can set no I can change the variable. Set score to 10. Oh, here is the catch. It does become 10. See, that's simple. And now I can change it. Change by 1. Bam, bam. Wait, isn't... Oh, my bad. Change score by 1. Or I can change it by -1. Like this. Bam, bam. See, this is how you use variables. And then when you use them, I mean, they would be useless if they are just a number on the screen. This is the game changer. You can use it as an input. We learned about these circle things and what does they do. Like, what if I rename this variable? Edit, name it speed. Wait, wait, my bad. Speed. So, this is speed. I would set it back to 0. Bam. So, if we get this guy, Mr. Red Face, or the small version of him, this is the large version of Mr. Red Face. Have a large version and small version. I use this version only in games because it's easier to make controls and make it move. So, let's go back to the topic. Let's get Mr. Redface and give him a little control. I might have saved one. Maybe this one? Yes, this is a basic control. But I prefer to use... I don't like arrows. I'm going to change them. Instead of down arrow... Wait. This is wrong. Oh no, it's not. It's not. My bad. What is the letter S? The letter S. The letter S. change this. This is gonna take a little bit. I hate searching for letters. Six is a long. Right arrow is become this, so it's in the beginning. Up like this, and the left arrow, the letter Q. So right here. This one is Q. So now I have movement. Oh, what's going on? Something is wrong. Apparently. Why does this happen? What is going on with him? It's lagging. Let me save this. This should work. Something is odd. No. Oh, finally it's working. See, it was just lagging. So now it's moving normally. So if we replace this with speed, so instead of moving 7 steps, speed. It's gonna move the variable speed, and here we can't straight up put speed because this is a minus number. So we are going to put this. So convert speed into a minus number. We studied this in math class. Don't lie. We gotta put it by -1. Oh, like this. Put here speed by -1. Like this, and same here. Let's put the same. Why does this happen? This honestly, this is rage bait. And my computer is lagging so much for some reason. I don't know if you're hearing this, but am I opening this or something? No. No, everything is closed. Ah, this is my wallpaper. Do you like it? It's a Minecraft. So anyways, let's go back. So I replaced everything by speed. Apparently speed is 0 right now, so it doesn't move. So when green flag clicked, set speed to 7. Now everything works. Yeah, but if we increase his speed, example make it 20 or 20, he is gonna be way faster. And if we make it 100, this is going to happen. Yeah, I can't even go somewhere that is not the edge. This could be a game that the target is to touch the middle. So hard. Nah, this is impossible. Wait, let me do that. Go to ND. I don't know why his name is this. So make him an green flag click forever if touching. No, what am I doing? Green flag click. Let him go to the coordinates 0, 0. This is the middle. I explained this, so I don't have to say it over again. Now he's in the middle. So let's see if I can do that. Yeah, I touched him a couple times. Yeah, to check, go here. No, go to Andy. Now I'm gonna need what I did. If touching player, say, what should he say? Say, you won. Yeah, it's me. If you are wondering what happened, the recording just cut. Yeah. So basically what I did, I stopped when I made this. Yeah. And it did work. I don't have proof, but it did off camera. So let's explain what we didn't explain. So now we're gonna go to the custom blocks. Custom blocks, when you make it, edit. Example, you can name it here, this doesn't matter. You can put an input or a boolean. A boolean is like in the if, in the like this, and the input is like the variables and stuff. So basically what I did, the purpose of this input, you need to define the block, the custom block. So if you don't define it, this makes me move 90 steps. It doesn't. I need to define it. So if I define it, change x by 10, it changes by 10, not by 90. But if it changes by this input, so it's gonna change by whatever I put here. So it's gonna change now by 9. So yeah, the recording cut again. So that was just a bug, a bug that happens often to me while recording. That the recording keeps cutting off no matter what you do. So I just restarted my Mac and it's working again like normal. So let's complete what we started. Explained. Now if I define it, it moves. Yeah. And this is, you can even put a boolean for actions like if boolean, and then you can put whatever you want here. So so now it's if touching Andy. This is how everything works. There is no like hidden secrets and whatever. Make my blocks are, I like to name them custom blocks, are that easy but also that useful. So maybe should I end the video here? Maybe that was so short. No, I mean the last part is so short. I just said that it does work when you define it. So I think I am abandoning this project because I finished the series, and what should I do with it? But I am still going to make some tutorials, so yes, maybe I'm going to enter my YouTube channel to see whatever going on with it. This is my channel. I have 55 subscribers right now. All of these videos. My latest video only got 111 views. This is not a lot. I mean, my top video got 500. This is what I introduce myself. You gotta see it. So if you find this video helpful or enjoyed it, maybe you should click the like button, and if you wanna see more content about programming or basic knowledge, you should consider subscribing to see more of this. I explained clouds, stars, black holes, gravity, black holes, myself. And the catch. This is the long form videos. Part 3 was 2 months ago and only got 35 views. Meanwhile, part 2 got 120, which is pretty legit. And this is my first video. It's not, but those doesn't count. Okay? And maybe I'm gonna delete these. These were so old. So yeah, goodbye. Have a great day.